So over here you can see that I have a video on my timeline, and if I were to press the play button and you want to upload it but you don't know how to, you have my audio right here and the video as you can see right here. So let's say I want to add in a background music, and in that case I can go around and bring in a background music that I like and keep it on the audio 2 layer over here. So now let's see how this actually sounds like. Well, so let's say that you have started. So I do have the background audio, but you can see that it is disturbing as the background audio is louder than my voice. So one way to control that is by using the envelope right here, just like this, by changing out the volume level for this particular background volume. And if I were to press the play button, out making videos and you want to upload it, then the background music is now lower in volume. If you want to go around and control out the volume with detail, then what you can do is you can utilize the audio mixer. So to access that, you need to go around under Windows, and then over here you will be able to see that this is what you have, audio mixer as an option. Once you go around and click audio mixer, pops up on the right, that gives you the audio controls as you can see right here in much more detail. So if I were to press the play button but you don't know how to, this is what you hear. And what you can do is you can go around and mute this solo out right here. So if I were to go around and solo this out, what happens is that I just hear this out. But I can go around and mute this as well. And if I were to press the play button, now I hear the rest of the audio. You can have as many layers as you want for the audio right here. And here you can see that it says audio 1 and 2. And if I were to go around and then, let's say for example, rename it to, let's say for example, voice right here, just like this, and I can go around and rename this around into, let's say for example, music right here, then what happens is that it shows up over here as well. And this is the master volume as you can see right here. So what you can also do is you can go around over here and you can see that this is the volume level. So as I play, I can go around and control this as well. But you don't know how to make thumbnails for it. So this is what you have as you can see. So I can go around over here and then control the volume on the fly as well. And this one is the master volume. So if I were to go around and press the play button, I can change around the master volume to change around all the audio levels at once. Started out. So this is what I have. I can go around over here and this is what you have as you can see. So I can go around and increase and decrease the overall volume as I like. But you don't know how to make thumbnails for it. So we're going to be discussing. So that is what you have as you can see. So one of the things is that, and you can also work around with the left and right channel. So if I were to, let's say for example, post this more onto the left channel, discussing about that topic, then I hear this out from the left channel and so forth. Exactly in this video today. So I've invited my friend Adam to share his experience on how you can make your own. So what you can do is you can go around and change around the left and right channel as you like as well, and even go around, click and drag on the number or type in the number right here as you like, just like this. So you can go around and press 20 or 40 right here just like this and change around the audio level just like this as well. And that is how you can utilize the audio mixer to control out the audio in your video project in much more detail. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.